Hello to you all, I'm Nareet Ben, and welcome to IMPROVATE's third international conference. It's a space for creating long-lasting connections, allowing change makers in technology and decision makers in government to make progress through innovation. IMPROVATE is all about finding solutions and sparking collaborations that improve the quality of life for people around the world. Today, linking between Israel and Africa in a field that has everything to do with a sustainable future, agriculture. Throughout this special broadcast, we'll be hearing from ministers and ambassadors from Tanzania to Ethiopia, Gabon, South Sudan, Kenya, Angola, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Also with us today, executives from African organizations and food companies from Eat Fresh to the Clinton Development Initiative and the Beula Seed Company. And of course, a key pillar of all these conferences, we'll be hearing from 10 of Israel's leading agri-tech companies, presenting tech solutions to help address major pressing challenges across Africa. Taking part today, Motes, Home Biogas, Kalont, Haifa Group, Metzer, ISM, Davik, the Volcani Center, Saffron Tech, and Agri. And as always, watching along with us are representatives of investment funds from around the world looking to invest in Israeli innovation. And starting us off right here in the studio, IMPROVATE's founder and chairman, Irina Nevzlin, along with Dr. Alejandro Marabi. He is part of PepsiCo's External Innovation Global Team, leading agri-tech solutions as well as processing and ingredients-related initiatives. He'll be here listening to the range of African and Israeli innovators we'll hear from and looking out for potential investments. ISM Africa is a consortium of companies focused on East Africa and its coast, and they're focused renewable energy, green transportation, affordable green construction, as well as food and water security. Here's a closer look at a company driving local employment and manufacturing.
ISM Africa is a group of companies with interests in green manufacturing, renewable energy, food and water security. The movement toward reducing our impact on the globe is one of the most pressing concerns of our time. ISM Africa invests in projects and services targeting improved operational efficiency, renewable energy, and other sustainable infrastructure. We have capabilities and expertise to deliver the latest technologies, including food security based on fast assembly of fish farms, water security, using solar-powered distillation and purification technology, electric vehicle and solar assembly, energy and environmental solutions, and green construction technologies based on renewed materials. We are dedicated to the conservation, production and processing of the world's most critical resource, water. Our network has over 3,000 global installations providing drinking water to tens of thousands of people per day. Our portfolio includes a range standard water treatment solutions and patented carousel solar water purification technology which uses solar energy to produce pure, clean drinking water on any scale from any water source. Depleted stocks, growing populations, environmental impact are rapidly increasing the demand for aquatic products in Africa. Our mission is to design and construct efficient and reliable recirculation aquaculture systems, RAS, to facilitate farming of healthy aquatic products. With minimum impact on the environment, design of the fish farms and equipment is done by a team of engineers that work with state-of-the-art software. The design team work hand in hand with the engineers to optimize the final systems. In this way we are able to make custom-made designs in short periods of time that are reliable and energy efficient. The growing demand for renewable yet affordable solutions has encouraged us to develop various systems to support the sector. We are focused on utilization of local manpower and materials, as well as incorporating reusable materials such as shipping containers at the end of their commercial life cycle. Our solutions include support of solar and water systems that can sustain supply to structures in disconnected locations. Africa has substantial new and renewable energy resources, most of which are underexploited. Renewable energy will make up almost half of sub-Saharan Africa's power generation growth by 2040. Only 10% of sub-Saharan's hydropower potential is currently being exploited. In addition, much of Africa has excellent solar potential, and coastal regions hold potential for wind energy. The electric vehicle revolution in Africa is gaining traction, but it can only go so far without the necessary infrastructure and technology. This is why we have set up local manufacturing operations to develop specific technologies designed to work in Africa. Governments, communities and businesses realize they need new ways to increase output, mitigate risk and withstand new threats. ISM Africa is at the forefront of developing practical solutions that are both sustainable and integrate locally tailored technology to deal with the continent's urgent challenges.
And a reminder to anybody just joining us, IMPROVATE is all about access and exposure for Israeli tech innovators to governments and companies around the world. The goal to promote businesses focused on innovation and helping to develop countries. And that is it from IMPROVATE's Israel-Africa International Agri-Tech Conference. We've heard today from government officials, local African companies, and from Israel's leading agri-tech companies about the needs of Kenya, Ethiopia, Gabon, Tanzania, South Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, all in this crucial field of agriculture. And as you've heard, IMPROVATE is all about access and connections, exposing Israeli tech leaders and governments to companies around the world to promote businesses whose goal is innovation. The exposure you've seen right here at this conference, that's just the first step. The next, delegations and real business connections. We want to thank you all for taking part and hope this is just the very beginning of doing business together and making technology accessible to all and improving the lives of millions across Africa. And keep an eye out for IMPROVATE's next conference on January 21st, From Crisis to Innovation, Creating a New World. We'll be looking at the challenges and opportunities in Europe in exiting, finally, this global crisis, from medicine to transportation to tourism and education. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you then.